Hello, this is Shannon. Okay, this is how much snow we've gotten. If you can see, it looks like 16 to 19 inches of snow here. I carved a path here out to the car and just keep on walking over here, and there's my car over there. Can't really see it. Went out to Riva's car. That's how much snow covering it. Just had a snowplow go by. There. Okay. So, this is what I'm gonna do. If you can see me, I'm going to walk over here. I'll put you in the lead. I'm stepping through the snow over here to show you. Here is my street. Sycamore Terrace and all that. Does that look plowed to you? Huh. I don't think so. These are my footprints in it. And this is what, 9 o'clock? No, sorry, 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. So what I'm gonna do really quick, gonna run through the snow, see how bad the streets are. As I'm running, or walking. This was totally worse than the other storm. Let's just say that. Okay, here I go. Running out to the car, or running out to the street. See, I'm getting delirious. Yeah. It's crazy. Okay. It is 10 o'clock, and this is what the street looks like. My mailbox, which is totally, I cannot almost get here to the street, and there's up and down the street. Oh my goodness, this was crazy. Okay, I love this much snow. Damn, I cannot run in this, or I'm getting to be an old man. Woo! Okay, so we're gonna go back to the cars, and we're going back inside. Okay, bye guys.